Hey, I'm Tim Quinn. I want to share a little bit about my journey here at Arkana. Today is I finished my final ceremony last night, and I was reflecting back on the person I was when I arrived here and who I am now. And I think, to me, like seemingly, I'm the same person. Like if you met me, I've always been kind of calm, um, caring, just me. What I've discovered during this week is that person who arrived here was really just um, acting. Um, and I feel like through this whole week's process, I've released so much pent up anger, frustration, um, judgment, so many things that honestly I didn't know that's what I was coming here for. And I just feel lighter, like physiologically and mentally, with a lot more clarity. And I can't say enough for what this experience did for me. I know I don't seem to like exude joy, but this is how I talk when I'm really at peace. So anyone who's hesitant to come, I would say, for me, I had no idea what I was actually getting into. My best friend kind of put it in my head not that long ago, and I just committed to it. I'd had, as we all have, the past 2 years with the pandemic, had to kind of re-examine ourselves. I had a lot of loss. I lost my partner, I lost my little brother, I lost my mother. I left a career that I loved, and I'm kind of like in a spot where I wanted to reinvent, and I thought, well, this would be terrific. I'm also not someone who's ever done drugs. I don't drink. I looked at this because it's medicine and it's plant-based. And I thought, well, how miraculous this could be. And really came here without really any expectations other than I need to get away. I just lost my mom the week before I came, and I need to kind of recenter and reground. So for anyone who's kind of hesitant about what it means for you, I mean, I'm sure there's so many people who come for different reasons, but if you're just coming to kind of find yourself again, it's really magical. I think partly the diet. I mean, I took it very seriously when I got the email, basically giving up everything it said, including coffee, which is terribly hard for me. And then came here and really embraced. I love the diet here. The food has been extraordinary. I was a little nervous about the ayahuasca, to be honest. The first night I absolutely adored. The second night was terrific. Then we did the sapo ceremony, which I'm sure for many is probably their favorite. I literally was just soaring in the sun. And it took away any anxiety I had, which I really didn't have a lot, about what's next, like what happens when we move past here. And then my final night of ayahuasca kind of like tied it all together in a much different way. But I thought it was so magical and felt so supported and loved by not just the staff, but the family that we kind of put together here. Which of course the Tim who arrived was a little judgmental on who I would talk to or not. But that's just the old me. Anyway, I wish you peace and love in your journey, and thank you for listening.